I'm John Reeves, CEO of the John Reeves team at Reef Real Estate, and I'm talking today because Scott Evans, a personal friend of mine now for 5 years, has asked me to come out and speak about the systems that I used to grow my company and grow my team from doing 7 transactions a year to more than 400. So it's my pleasure to talk in front of a group of agents, whether they're beginner agents or top level producers, about how to grow a business from where it is to where you want it to go. So I'm going to talk about 3 core things. Number 1, time management systems, how to leverage your time management systems to get more done more effectively so you can make more money and help more people. Number 2, I'm going to talk about the key marketing systems that we utilize and how we utilize them to drive in more leads, which convert to better quality appointments that show up and then transact. And number 3, we're going to talk about mindset, and we're going to talk about processes that we use on a consistent daily basis to make our team effective, make them postured for success, but more importantly, close more transactions so we can make more money and help more people and serve. We have some great systems, we have some great things that we're going to talk about, and I am so impressed and so happy that Scott would ask me to come in and share, because I love doing that. I remember when I was a brand new agent, nobody taught me, no one shared anything with me. I would go to caravans and hope that I would learn something. So everything I've learned is a school of hard knocks, and I'm going to transition into teaching all of you the things that I've learned in the past, which helped me grow my business from, again, 7 transactions back in 2011 to doing more than 400 this year. Come out, have some lunch, have some fun. I will educate, empower, and teach you everything that I can in a 2-hour period about how to grow your business. And I got some specific examples I just talked about. Come out. Again, I'm John Reeves. I'm going to share with you some great stuff, and I'm very, very happy to do so. So thank you. Have a great day, and hope to see you soon.